Hey, how's it going, guys? It's D West here, and this is the video of my $500 gaming PC for 2K16. This PC has the power to run most of the high-end games such as Fallout 4, Witcher 3, and many more. This is probably one of the fastest budget gaming builds that you can find on the internet for $500. So to start off the build, for the processor we're gonna go with the Intel Core i3 6100 for $125. This is an excellent gaming processor clocked at 3.7 GHz. For this budget gaming PC, it is the best processor to run all those high-end PC games. For the motherboard, we're gonna go with the MSI Pro VIDEA B150M Micro ATX motherboard for $65. It can support up to 32 gigabytes of RAM. So for the RAM, we're gonna go with the G-Skill RIPJAWS V Series 8GB RAM stick. This is a single stick of 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM that you can buy for $35. So for the hard drive, we're gonna go with the Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte hard drive for $34. This is one of the best value hard drives you can get on the market for a gaming PC, for a editing PC, for a regular home theater PC. It is just simply great all around. So for the main power behind the system, we're gonna go with the NVIDIA GTX 950 EVGA Super Clocked Edition graphics card for $140 to $150. This is the best graphics card you can get in the $150 price range, as it performs excellent in a lot of games all around. Now for the case, we're gonna go with the CORSAIR CARBIDE 88R Micro ATX case for $40. So pretty much this is one of the best budget cases you can get in the market, especially in its price range for under $50. In my opinion, CORSAIR is an excellent brand when it comes to PC cases. This case can support up to 5 fans. Now for the last component in this gaming PC, we're gonna go with the EVGA 500 watt supply for $40. This power supply has a 3 years warranty. This is 500 watts, which means it's still powerful enough to include that overclocked GTX 950 and that Core i3 also running at 4 voltage. So pretty much this was it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button, and peace out.